Riotech since 2002. Full range of barcode scanner products and marketed to 92 countries. Riotech products application. SME 56XX supporting the automation of bottle recycling machines. Installed on AGV machine to support automated warehousing. LS6506H supports barcode scanning 6 meters. IDC960XX supports scanning medical barcodes. FS5028M your ideal options to automated manufacturing. Small size barcode engine. Installed to industrial PDAs become a data collector. By requested we also can support OCR code and DPM code reading. Welcome OEM and ODM, please visit our website get more detailed information.